by step on how to stream both in horizontal and in vertically at the same time utilizing OBS Studio. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Three minutes is all it takes to set up a vertical live stream for YouTube Shorts. Start by downloading and installing OBS, which is linked in the description. Profile, click on New. See that? Click on Profile, click on New. Type in something like Shorts Stream, tick Show Auto Config Wizard, and press OK. Now let's optimize this for streaming. Set it to 1920 by 1080 and 60 FPS, and press Next. Obviously, we change our servers to YouTube, RTMPS. We check the preferred Show Auto Config Wizard, and on OBS, we want the Auto Config Wizard. If you can't see that, click on Profile, click on New. Type in something like Shorts Stream, tick Show Auto Config Wizard, and press OK. Now let's optimize this for streaming. Set it to 1920 by 1080 and 60 FPS, and press Next. For streaming, set it to 1920 by 1080 and 60 FPS, and press Next. Obviously, we change our servers to YouTube, RTMPS. We check the preferred hardware encoding box. We uncheck estimate bitrate, and I suggest between 6000 and 9000 for a 1080p stream. And finally, on this page, we click Connect Account and add your YouTube account. Once that's done, just press Next. These are great settings, so press Apply. If you get the chat pop-up, just drag it into the side to dock it. Now, of course, we need it vertical. Click on Settings in the bottom right, head to Video, change this to 1080 x 1920, and then for Output Scaled Resolution, click the box and change it to the same thing. While we're in the settings, click onto Audio. Under Desktop Audio, choose the correct speakers. Under Mic Auxiliary Audio, choose the correct microphone. The auto config gave us good settings, so we can ignore any other settings and press OK. In the audio mixer, under your mic, click the three dots, click on Filters, press the plus button, click on Give us good settings. While we're in the settings, click onto Audio. Under Desktop Audio, choose the correct speakers. Under Mic Auxiliary Audio, choose the correct microphone. The auto config gave us good settings, so we can ignore any other settings and press OK. In the audio mixer, under your mic, click the three dots, click on Filters, press the plus button, click on Noise Suppression, press OK, and add RN Noise or NVIDIA Noise Removal. This is the best OBS filter. It's going to remove fans, AC noise, etc. If you don't have a new scene, click Scene, click New. Underneath Scenes, I'm going to rename the first one to something like Computer. I'm going to now create the second one and call it Camera. I'll click on the compress the and video device. This is your camera. I suggest you change the resolution FPS type to custom. Set the resolution so it's 1080p and get the max FPS of your camera. Other settings should be fine. Press OK. Once you've got them both added, just click on the relevant one to resize it. So I'll resize my camera like this. On my display, I'll drag it up to the camera. It's not centered, so I'll right click, transform, center horizontal. Quickly, let's do the same for the camera scene. All I need for this one is my camera. For video capture device, add existing video capture device. And for this one, I'm just going to full screen my camera and once again, center horizontally. If you're now ready to stream on YouTube Shorts, just hit Manage Broadcast and either select an existing broadcast or create a new one. After subscribing, watch this video to add alerts to your YouTube Short stream.
Well then. Pushing high day right now. Yeah, sorry, I can't look at Bitcoin. I'm on Trade This is a futures trading platform. Probably look it up. Just trying to dial this out because I'm on my PC, so I'm just trying to make this thing kind of see how I can make it work instead of holding my phone the whole time. This thing's definitely up there. So I got a this is aftermarket trading. I don't really need to trade this anymore. I have a I don't know, what was it, take profit evaluation. So I'm trying to just knock it out. I had a couple of them, and you take too much size, and that's just going to screw you every time. So I was taking a little too much size on some of them. And then I kind of blew them up. So yeah, I'm just taking my time. I've already I've met the threshold though on this one, so I could show you. Let me pull up I have like, I don't know, I got 6 monitors here, so I can just, I'm pulling from here and I'll pull it into the screen. So this is the one that you're seeing me actively on right here. Hold on a minute. I don't know what that's about. I don't know why it's getting all weird. Okay. There we go. So if I click on this, I have to. The problem with take profit trader is you gotta wait, like you gotta trade it for 5 days. It's not very hard to knock out, you know, something pretty fast. I mean, the other ones I took a little too much size on, and that was my fault, and I understand that. So yeah, that was completely my bad. And I got a little greedy, got a little crazy, and then I just calmed down. I was like, well, I'll trade this one right here, and I'll do it right. You just have to make sure that you don't trade more than, like, honestly, 2 to 3 contracts, and you got to make sure that your levels are pretty solid and you can hold. What does that say? Pi Network Fire. PI, I don't know what that is. Yeah, so it's basically, I made, I think I got a couple of charts I could show you. So basically the way I traded it was, I made, my starting balance was 50,000 my first day. I made exactly 1,500 the first day. Then I made exactly 1,500 the third day, or second day, excuse me. And so I was at 53,000 there. Then my third day, I made, just like 575. And then today's my fourth day. It just hasn't registered yet until midnight. So it will, and then it'll be basically around, I think this, is that another account? It could have been another account. Hold on, let me take a look at this again. So that's the way that is, and then let me see. Yeah, and then today, was that today? 15, no. So then today I made like the extra couple $300 or whatever the heck it was. So that's where I'm at with it right now. I should do like a survey or something. Should see if I don't know how to do that on here already. Stream. Yeah, I should have did like a survey of some sort. That's okay. Hey, any of you guys? Does anybody trade the markets, the futures markets? You know what? I actually have. I do this one, and then I also do like the Apex, because Apex is cool. And I honestly do working after hours and doing like this is not bad. It's actually a lot easier. It's a lot less stress, I feel like. It doesn't move as fast. You can tell that the NASDAQ moves pretty crazy, and it whipsaw your butt around definitely during the trading day. This thing's pretty easy. I mean, look at this. You have a level right here where it's coming into right now. It's either going to hold here, which you just got to watch over here as the price action, time and sales, right? Here, let me just make this a little better. And then, probably move this over too, so you can see it. So it's going to either hold like right here. You just start drawing your lines, right? Look left. Okay, where do you guys see support, right? And the cool thing about the after hours is it's just a lot cleaner sometimes. I mean, you can make a lot during the day, and I have. So like this would be like green, right? This is what I do all the time. I just throw little support lines in. So like this is going to be a little support line. You want to see this thing hold. I'll zoom in so you guys can probably see it better. And then also my time frame is this is the 1 minute, but the best one I'd like to do is the 100 tick. So just by tick charts. And then obviously look at this. This thing's pretty clean. It's just obviously it's trending up, right? And if this could hold, great. But yeah. Yeah, just watching for this to hold. And if it doesn't, then your next little hold pattern is going to be right down here. Most likely like the 15s, 16s. Just like that. That's if this doesn't hold up here. But yeah, anyway, I also do Apex. I'll sign into my Apex account and bring it up. If you guys are interested, just let me know. Excuse me. So it held, and now it's going to jump up, potentially, and go test high day. I don't need to trade this, so I'm probably going to log out of this and go see if I got something else I can get into. Sorry about that. I had a phone call. Anyhow, so what I was going to do is show you guys Yeah, so I traded this another one. I traded Apex as well. I have a live account for trading the futures market. Let's see here. So go to signatures. I'll pull it up. So basically, like these are all accounts I passed. Got funded. You fund them, and then you get paid on some of them, and then you blow some of them up, and it's just kind of the way it goes. It's just a numbers game, though. At the end of the day, you just have to pass enough to be able to get make it so you're not just blowing your money into a bunch of evals. I got another eval. Let's see here. So I got another one that I just passed again. So yeah, here you go. August 20th today. I got it done yesterday. But yeah, it looks like this eval should be pretty much passed. Right there. So this eval is passed, and one day, not bad, and I killed it because I got 39.50, and all I needed was 3,000. So, anyhow, pull this in. Past eval, so now I got another one passed, so I'm going to be going to you go to the signatures page, right, and you go all the way down to the bottom, and then you click on this, and you have to read all the information. Go down here to the bottom, you put in your social security number, you sign it, right, all this stuff, whatever. And then once you sign it, and you have your social in there, you have to go pay for it. So, I'll just do here. I'll do that off camera because I don't want to show you guys my social security number. That'd be weird. So yeah, I'll go down here and I'll have to pay for another eval, which is fine. So then it's like another 10 days that it starts with. So I gotta sign this. So it says, and then now that I signed it, that's what you get. Basically, it's, you signed it because you signed your agreement because you just passed. So now I gotta go back to the signatures page again, right? And then after you sign the ones that are on the bottom, they pop up to the top. And then we basically will be able to pay for the new account. So I just signed that one. It's all signed. See, so that one's all signed now. Now I'd have to go to to right here. This is the payment link, and then once you pass, and then I gotta go to the payment link like right here, and then I gotta pick which one I want, the 105 or the 160. Honestly, you'll never, unless you're really super disciplined on your accounts, you end up getting paid on them, and then you kind of either blow them up or get paid like once or twice on them, and then that's it. So what I choose is the 105 activation per month. It's not, I don't even do the lifetimes anymore, just because things can go against you, and then you got to go through and you got to agree to all this. You come on down here and agree, and then you go through, and then now you got to put in your credit card information and pay for it. So I will do that over here. So I'll put in my credit card information, confirm, pay 105, pay and submit. So now I'm done, and then there it is. So paid, it's all done. There's my order number, transaction, cool, whatever. So that's it. Thank you for signing up, just like that. And then now I have a funded account. So then I'd go to like Tradeovate, right? I go to my login, Apex, and then you log in with Apex. It's simulated because it's still simulated through their company, and if you win, they'll pay you. And then this is the Apex one right here. So then now that I've completed this right here, it'll be a PA account. So then now that I've signed it, it'll be like 10 minutes later or something like that. I can just keep refreshing, and then this probably goes away, or it might stay, it depends. And then it'll be like a PA account. So I could play this one because it doesn't even matter. I've already paid my stuff. You know. All right, so like this one's coming into this zone again. It might pop right back down into the 15s like we were saying before. Or it could just roll over. It's kind of just been, there it is, there's the snap. So snapping down. And then, so now it's got a hold right here. So this is when you just get crazy. Let it snap down. Snap down, snap down. Access denied. Yeah, it won't let me trade that account anymore because it's over with. All right, so I already passed this account. I just signed all my stuff for it, so I'm gonna hit refresh until I can get my PA account up. There it is. There's the new PA account that I got funded. Like I said before, I got a bunch of them all funded. So that's kind of where I'm at with this. I got this account. I have, I got another one. I gotta see, so when you get funded on those accounts, you get an email confirmation. Like this, just saying, you know, congratulations on your performance activation for your Apex funding account and all that stuff. And then it'll tell you to log into your stuff and you can go ahead and do this. And again, congratulations on accomplishing a funded performance account. So that's it's a PA account. So the PA accounts. That's kind of the way it works. So that's what I got there. And then this is now a funded account. So I can get this, if I can get this account up to basically, you don't want to make more than 30% in one day and all this stuff. There's all these rules. But if I can get I got to get this account now up to $52,600, and then I can pull out $2,000, and that's every like 10 days. So right now I would not make the payout because it's gonna be 10 days. Actually, yeah, I would. No, I wouldn't. It'd be close. I could. So I would get like basically So yeah, this is pretty good. That held pretty good right there. So I was gonna say this is the bottom here. This is where you want to hold and then go higher and then possibly push the high a day. So this thing's gonna pull down right here. Maybe hold this level now. I'll go 3 contracts so we can grab it. Get filled. Come on, fill me up. Cool. All right, so it filled me up on 3 contracts. I'm gonna see if this can hold this this support level here. Usually it'd be like break, come back up, retest, and then hold here, and then go back up to high a day. That's what I'm watching for. Anyhow, so this is like a funded account now. So we'll see how it holds up. But yeah, I gotta trade it for 10 days, right? And then you have to get it up to like 52,600, and then you can request a payout. And I mean, it's annoying because then you got to keep trading it every day, you know. And then, you know, before you know it, it's like if you don't keep on trading it, they kind of screw you. So, you know, this thing's ripping pretty good for me. Let's see if I can hold it right there. See if I can get that nice top wick. Come on, top wick me out. This thing could squeeze up a little higher. I could leave one on for the dream. I'll do 2. So there's where you put 2 out, sell it, and then you keep 1 on for the dream, as they call it. So if that goes all the way up to the high a day and squeezes out there and hits this green line up here, that's high a day. See if I can move this over for you. So I'm keeping 1 on, hopefully up to the 30s, maybe a little further if we're lucky, all up to 35s, but that nice wick off that. So you see how that happened? That came up, broke through the support, which was then potentially resistance, came up, retested it, held, and then just popped up higher. And now if this can squeeze all the way up to the high a day, that's going to be a pretty amazing trade. 29 would probably be the most likely the spot that it'll reverse off of. Is 19.829. But who knows? We'll see if the buyers are coming in. Looking at the time in sales. Small pullback. And then I look here, and then this tells me what my trailing threshold is. So every time you make money and it goes up, you're only allowed to lose like $24.50 now. And I know that. And then once you're at that other threshold, if it were to, you get up to 52,600 or whatever. Once you get over that 2,500, it stops trailing after that. But if you pull money like $2,000 out, then it'll dump you down to like only a $500 trailing drawdown. That's why you just blow up accounts and you don't pay for more than the $100 one. So this is for the dream. The dream's to go all the way up here to the 30s. 30. 29 is where I said it would probably go and then turn around. So we'll see if it squeezes up. Looking for it to squeeze up high a day. High a day is the green line. I left 1 contract on for this. So then I gotta also watch this. So because if I'm up, I gotta take profit. That's the problem with trading with Apex is you gotta take the profit. It doesn't let you just trade normally. Where if you just stop out break even, because then your trailing drawdown gets to be a little less. Unfortunately. It just doesn't let you trade it like a cash account. It's the kind of lame part. Alright, I'm gonna get some no copyright. So it's holding again. Looks like it's getting bought up. I said 29s and it's pretty close. It was 29.75 that I got knocked around on. I'm going to add here 3 contracts, hopefully for a hold and then a rip back up. Looking for a rip back up here. Bottoming tail off this support line. And I'm hoping this will hold and just continue to rip right back up. I'm watching it. This is the test area. Back up to the 29s would be nice. I really don't want it to go all the way down here. I really don't. I want to see that wick down. Stop out some people because they had weak stops, and then just get bought right back up. Big old wick, bottom wick candle. Doesn't look that good, but I don't know. Just watching it. Motivation. This to hold. Pop right back up. Bottom and tails. Just watching them rip. Doesn't look good to short, I'll tell you that. I would not be wanting to short here. Because if you get squeezed out by, you know, some buyers coming in and squeezing up and going back up to 29, whew, that would be a dirty one. I don't believe this right here at all. Like the big sellers on this line, they're gonna get absolutely squeezed out. This whole thing's going up. Don't be surprised when this does not reject and it pops right through. I'm going to send this back up. I'd be surprised if this didn't test high a day eventually. I don't want that to wick down again. Not at all. I want the buyers to come in right here and push this right through this, which was support. There we go. Getting a little push through. Gonna regain my position here. $200. No, the trailing drawdown. Just watching it. So you don't want to see this thing reject right here. That's what I don't want to see. I want to see this thing just push up really hard and squeeze. It'll mess around a little bit. It's not a big deal. It's only a big deal if it crushes and flushes, you know. That's when it's a big deal. When it wicks above and pulls back, it's going to motivate shorts to get in, but really it's not. This is a bottoming tail on this previous one. Comes up. Yeah, it's got a little smack down there, just profit taking. These people are just scalping. Here we go. Just gotta be patient. So probably push right up into the 29s. I'm gonna take it off though. Here in the 27s, just because I gotta play this game with the, you know, with the money against me and all that stuff. The trailing drawdown, trailing max drawdown. I need to squeeze right through here, pop up test. 28, 29s. It should pop. Should pop all this through. And then I'll be out. It's fine. Slow action. It pulled down here. I was down in a, you know, drawdown pretty good there. I just need this to pop up, take me out right here in the threes. Boom, done, just perfect. I know it's gonna hit the 28s. I get all that, but it could also reject off here, topping tail, pull right back down, which I don't want it to do. I actually want to see it be able to push through up here. So you look at it here now. My drawdown is 2,500, which is the max I could have, and then it'll stop following me once I'm over, you know, over 20. Over 52,600. So, yeah, this funded account. That's how you got to play these funded accounts with Apex. It's just the way it is. It's just the way it is, unfortunately. So there it is, into the 29.30s. That's what I wanted to hold it to, but I don't know. I wanted to actually see if it could squeeze up and do high a day squeeze. But I didn't stay in there just because it did get rejected, and this big candle came down and kind of flushed it down below the support line there. But it's all good. It's all good. I would not short this here. That's for sure. Watching. See if I can get a little. I mean, I don't think it's got enough volume right now. Push up to that high day. Just the green line. Plus, it was a terrible spot during the trading day. Like 50 to 20 was the area to short. Right in here. Holding up at the top. Watching these after hours are pretty slow. Got a PA count up 294 in the night. Waiting to see if this thing can squeeze, but it's kind of hitting some resistance up here. Not really seeing too much happen. I'm hoping this will hold. Let's go. Should snap right back up. Going big size though. Let's see. I'm hoping this thing will rip right back up. If it snaps down, I'm screwed. Going some large size on here. I don't have much left, huh? What, 1,000? Okay, $1,200 left. Oops. 900, 1,000. There you go. Come on. Rip back up. Let's go. Buy it up. Snap right back up. Let's go. Come on. Show me the money. 1,200. That's fine. I went pretty big. It seems like it'll hold, but you never know. This could just like snap down, wick it down, and then right back up. Hoping for a big hit here. All the way back up. I'm a little deep, but this 15 needs to hold. Snap through. Snap through 15, work its way back up to 20, and continue on. I don't need to get stuck at 16s. I need to keep moving. Keep pushing up, right? Keep pushing up. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. More. More. Come on. Keep pushing. Push, push, push. Squeeze all the way back up. Just a big old squeeze. All the way back up. Be nice. Need this to keep pushing all the way back up. The buyers need to come in. All this needs to turn green over here. Turn green. Keep coming in. Pushing up. Let's go. Let's go. Push it all the way up. Back into the 20s. Come on. I need it. Come on. Watching. This needs to hold. This needs to hold. No rejections here. 15 needs to hold. 16 needs to break and continue. All the way up. Squeeze into the 18s, 19s, and then back and reclaim the 20s. Come on, buyers, step up. A little tug of war right here. Need to squeeze these out. Squeezing all the way up and work it to the high day. That's not what I wanted to see. That's going the wrong way for me. Drawdown's what, 600 now? Oh, come on. Pop back up. Get out of here. You're not going down, you're going up. You're gonna reverse. It's gonna blow the account. Yep, blew it. That's why you do the month. Look at that snap. Now it snaps back up. Oh my god. It's annoying. Well, that's weak. It's pretty weak. It's that bottom and tail, and there's, I want to see it go higher. Really? This thing's snapping again? Bottom and tail holds. Come on, snap back up. We'll see it. See this thing snap right back up. Come on, push. Push higher. Just way up. Push all the way up. Let's go. Really? It's action. Garbage, huh? I want to see some action. Come on, get in there, buyers. Buy it up, baby. Let's go. Buy it up. Get that price action going. Buy it up. Shoot that thing way up. Let's go. Go back to the 18s and 20s. Let's go. Get in there. Buy it up. I understand it's trending down, but it's also curling up. It's got the bottom and tails. They're all sitting in there. See some covers, some buys. Get back up to the 15s. There we go. The squeeze. There we go. Keep going. You want to see that thing squeeze all the way up. Squeeze. Up. More. Squeeze. Come on, let's go. Reverse it. Man, let's do this, dude. Just pop and drop. It's weak. I need to see it hold. Push it up. Let's go. See it hold. That's weak. I want to see that thing rip. Let's go. Rip up. Needs to hold support. See this thing rip back up to the 15s, maybe into the 20s. I want to see something happen here, you know? I want to see this thing rip. Let's see it go. What is the deal here? Get out of here. How is this even, like, continuation down, really? Get it bought back up. Let's go. Tail it up, but let's go. There we go. There's the buys. Buy it up. Let's go. Buy that thing up. Come on, buy it up. Some weak ass price action, dude. Watching this thing. Blew up the Apex account again. See, I can pass him no problem, but then blow him up. Let's go. Here comes a curl. It's got a hold right here, holding pattern. Don't hit the 8s, dude. Don't hit the 8s. Don't do it. Okay, good. Let's go. Come on, bounce up now. Let's go. Bounce up. Come on. Let's go. Buy it up, people. Watch them buy it up. Off the bottoms here. This is the bottom. Buy it up. Let's go. There we go. Keep going, baby. Let's go. Push. 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 I want to see a squeeze, dude. Shorts get squeezed. Oh, come on. Shorts get squeezed. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Push it up. This is just absolute bull. This needs to get squeezed. There we go. Come on. Squeeze it up. 14 maybe? Maybe 14s? I'm about to sell this thing, dude. I got the live account on the other. There we go. Push it, push it, push it. Push it, push it, push it. Squeeze, squeeze. I'm putting it in at 1450. Just a quick pop up. Knock me out, come on. Up, squeeze it. Squeeze it. Oh, that's it. That's not, I need more than that. I need more than that. Come on, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Be lucky just to get break even at this point, huh? Squeeze it up. Come on. Let's go. God damn this thing, dude. Piece of shit. Oops. Come on. Go north. Go north. Good Lord. I'm going to put it at 13. 25. Hopefully you can get filled. There's one. That's good. I mean, come on, man. This thing should have squeezed. There we go. Now it's gone. Right when I sell this, it's gonna go. Right there. Just like that. I knew it, dude. Right when I sold it up top, but sold only a piece. I knew it was gonna squeeze. God damn this thing. I should have had 2 contracts on. Oh man. This thing's gonna squeeze back up to the 20s. Something went wrong, huh? Now it's squeezing back up to the 20s.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, and you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, no waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make a move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they block in your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you never gotta make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Going for a pop and drop here. I'm actually going to short this, just full in contract. Got a live account that I'm trading below. See if it's going to be at that 19,825. 25. It's holding up pretty good though. Doesn't look like it's gonna flush or anything. Small pullback, but yeah, I'm gonna take that off. I'm not liking the way it looks. It's still trending up. So you just draw a couple lines. Oh, sorry guys, I did not see the chat until now. Trapper, what's up, dude? Good morning. Oh, it must be someone from the Philippines, huh? Hello, hello. I wonder if that's early over there. I gotta look that up. Watching. I feel like taking 2 contracts long, but yeah, it's keeping it pretty good. It's crazy. It's crazy. I blew this account up. It went huge on size. Huge. Look at this. Just blew it up. I just passed it. And then I just blew it up. Oh, man. These PA accounts. I just, you know, it's like anything you want to do, and then you just, boom, blow them up. What's up, Nicole? How are you? Just keep pushing, man. I almost feel like just going short. I mean, not, obviously not up here, but my other account. I really do. I don't think it's got that momentum to push up. I don't think it does. Oh, look at that. Of course. Of course I didn't get in. And there goes pulling back. $27. It's not a bad short. Small pullback though. Oh, 21. Oh, look at that. What a drop. Wow. Ooh, it's getting squeezed right back up. Look at that. Okay, I'm short. 1 contract. I need another flush like I just did. I don't need a bullish engulfing candle. There we go, 25. Keep pulling. Keep pulling down. No. Yes. 40. Good. I'm putting it at 2250. Fill me. Come on, 2250. Hit me. I'm filled. Nice. That was a good win. That'll work. This would probably just think it's gonna roll over. Very nice. Now it flushes down, man. That would have been nice to hold on to. I'll hold at 15. Watching for it. Ooh, it's flushing. I'll go long for a reversal here. Up 45. Up to the 16. 50. 16. I'm going to punch out at 16. Boom. There's a winner. I'll take it. Let's go. Nice. Punched out at 16. It wasn't the top, but I would love to see this thing just keep ripping all the way back up. Let's see how much I missed. Nice. Oh boy. Trading in a range. I called that reversal pretty good. I just went for a scalp. Oh my god, look at all that money I'm missing out on. It's okay. That's okay. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Play some levels and make some good trades. I almost think this is gonna flush. Oh man, I feel like I should take a shot here. I'm gonna take one. See if I can get 18 filled short. It's a little bit of a risk, but not really. I think this thing can roll over. Just watch it. Hopefully this doesn't hold and it goes right back down. I could always snipe it too, just like 1575 or something, just a quick scalp. Just a flush and a grab. Just a quick one. Just a snap down, just a quick snap down. Just snaps down. Uh-oh. It's getting bought up. Why? I don't know. It's a little bit of a support level. I'd like to see it snap. This is the 100, right? Yeah, 100. Snap down to the 16s. Come on. No. It's not doing it. Well, it's reclaiming. That's why you don't diddle in the middle. Needs a drop. 20 ain't gonna hold. 20 drop. There we go. Roll over. Roll over. Come on. You see this thing roll over? $22 is gonna squeeze if it hits 22. Buyers are coming in. They're just pushing this thing up. Man. There we go. Come on back down. There we go. Reject. Reject it. Reject it. Just a pullback probably, and it's going to go higher. Just going to buy it here, dude. Reject it. I'm gonna try to buy 3 at 20. Cover my 1. Trying to buy 2 right here at 20. 2 contracts long on the live account. It looks like I got filled. Yeah, I'm filled at 20. I'm long. This is gonna squeeze. I think it's gonna squeeze. That's why I got long. There it goes. I got long. It's up 50, 60, 70, 100, 110, on 23. Come on, fill me up. 23.50. Fill me up. Let's go. Fill me up. I might squeeze more. I took it off. Up 100. Come on, 23.50, 23.75. It's getting squeezed. I knew it. 23s. Come on, keep squeezing. It's gonna go to 25s. 25s. Come on, keep going. Keep squeezing. Now I'm back down to 60, 70 on the bid. Keep squeezing. There we go. 90s, 100, 110, 130. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, down to 70s. I need to keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. 30s. Oh boy. Now it's only 30. 20. Oh no, look at this rejection. It's gonna hold. It's gonna go right back up. Come on. It's gonna go right back up. Come on, keep buying. Dip buy. It's a dip buy. 40s. 22. 60, 70. Here we go. Keep going. 23. I think 23, 25. I should just grab that. Dude, I feel like it's going to the mid 20s though. To 25. That's where some resistance is finally up there. And if it keeps going and goes up to 29, I'm gonna put a stop in at like 20.75. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it. Yep, there we go. Keep squeezing. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna take out 1 up here. 23.75. If I can take 1 off. Alright, I'll do 25. Okay, I got 23.25 filled. Took 1 contract off. Hold 1 for the dream. I'm gonna sell it at 25.75. 25.75 for the pop. For the pop squeeze. Squeeze over 25. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. $24. I'm not liking this slowdown. 24. Come on. Hitting 24. 23.75 got hit. It's dropping down to 23s. I'm gonna put a stop. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I'm gonna put a stop at a break even at 22.25. Stop orders at 22. That's gonna be a sell at 22.25. So I don't want it to dip below that. Keep going. Come on. Keep riding, baby. Come on. All the way up. High day. Let's go. Go for the dream. Leaving 1 on for the dream. Let's go. Holding it for the dream. Oh no. It's gonna stop me out. Oh no. Ah, it stopped me out. What a punk. That's alright. That's alright. That's not a bad trade, dude. That's all I know. Not a bad trade. Oh, man. That was not bad. Not bad. Made a few on that. After I was wrong going short. I still think it's going to... I mean, this could reject here and pull back, but there's not much room for that. It's trading in this zone, you know, this range. Wow. Just do a pull in here, huh? So I'm going off the PC. I set it up on OBS where I could show you guys like it's in a short form. So it's a little maybe more convenient to watch. Anybody out there trading tonight? $22. Struggling. I was hoping it was going to hit that 26. It's still low. Holding down low here, though. Wedge pattern. Oh, don't tell me it's going to go up. Yeah, oh my God, there it goes. It's going up now. It's over. I already got out of the trade. I could have got out. That's okay. Squeezing up. The 25s, that's where I wanted it. That's where I wanted it. Just couldn't be patient on that. Let me get right back. I'm going to turn the light on. Almost hit that 25. Wicked up. Ooh, it's battling. It's gonna be anybody's game.